There's
a pony.
There's a pony up there, you think?
Look for it.
Let's go see what's up there. See what Santa Claus brought you.
No.
No Santa Claus. Here we go. Do you see anything yet? Do you see it yet?
Right there.
Do you see it yet?
Right there. Up there.
Up there?
Up there.
Oh, let's keep going. Keep going. Almost there. Almost there. Wait for mommy. Wait for mommy. Ready? Now peek in. What do you see in there?
What's in them?
What's in there? What's in there?
Get them, Mom.
Are you so excited? Come on. Come on, Lex. Come on. Let's get them. Come on. It's your presents. Come on. Did you want to come in and see the horse? Come on. Let's go see the horse.
You want to slide the horse?
You want to slide with the horse?
You do, Mom.
Do you like your presents?
Santa Claus will be your present over there.
He did bring you presents. Look what he brought you.
Look, there's another one. You want to go pet a horse, Mom? Come here.
We'll pet the horse.
Come here. Come on.
Can we help you? Look. You can sit on the horse too. And you can slide.
What do you do, Mom?
And look at this. There's a little door. Look at the little door.
Hey, Mommy, go there.
You like it?
Come here.
Do you like it?
Go you, Mom. Come here.
And look at this one. Do you want to get on this one? You can climb up in this one.
You want to slide? You want to slide a horsey? You want to slide a horse? You want to slide a horsey? You want to slide a horse?
You gonna sit on the horse? Do you want to sit on him?
You want to sit on him?
Sit on him. He makes.
Go in there. Go in the door.
Is he a little heavy?
And hold it. It's too heavy for the slide there.
He makes noises somehow. I don't remember how. There we go. Look at that.
Want to go slide, Mom? Come here.
Can you get in there?
Get in there.
Look, there's steps on the other side. Yeah, get in there. Get in there. Woo! Boom. You want to open your presents?
No.
Just the slide. Let's go open some presents. Come on.
No. My slide. Come on, slide.
Let me move this part so you don't bump yourself. There you go. Now you can slide. Get in there. Get in there. Do you like your slides, Lex?
I got a present for me. And you do it.
Woo!
Slide, Mom. Go slide.
Did you see your chair you got?